Okay, we're going to move on to an example of problem 3. In our example, from the material for the video presentation, A has a capital balance on January 1st of $5,000, B has a capital balance on January 1st of $6,000. You wouldn't need to include this in the problem. I'm just including it here so we can use this information to make some determinations. A and B partnership income sharing agreement provides for annual salaries of $10,000 for A, $5,000 for B. So let's record that. $10,000 A, $5,000 B, so that would give us a total of $15,000. Interest at 5% on the beginning capital balances, so let's determine our 5% interest. We're going to multiply our beginning balances by 5%. So the $5,000 times the 5% is $250, and the $6,000 times the 5% is $300. So let's go ahead and allocate that. $250, $300 gives us a $550 total. So right now, with our total salaries and interest, we've allocated $10,250 to A, $5,300 to B. Total allocated is $15,550. In our first situation, we have $20,000 of net income. So we have $20,000 and we've allocated $15,550. That's going to leave us with $4,450. So let's see how we're supposed to allocate that remaining income. It says 70% to A, 30% to B. So 4,450 times 0.7 is going to give us 3,115. That will go ahead and allocate to A. And then we're going to allocate 30% or 0.3 to B, and that will give us 1,335. So the total, of course, we're allocating is 4,450. So right now we have A for a total of 13,365, B for a total of 6,635, and our total is $20,000. So let's go ahead, and we also, I believe in that problem, for the homework, need to journalize the allocation of net income. So we're going to debit income summary for our $20,000, credit A capital for $13,365, credit B capital for $6,635. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to our second situation. In our second situation, our net income is $15,250. Okay, everything up to total salary and income distribution remains the same. It's all the same. We are only going to change the way we allocate remaining income. Well, in this case, we don't have remaining income, right? 15,250 minus 15,550 is a negative 300. I don't know how they want you to record this. In the homework, I'm not sure if they want a negative number, if they want parentheses. I don't know how they want you to do it. So pay attention to, in the homework, how they want you to allocate this. But we have A allocated 70% of the 300. That would be 210. I'm going to use parentheses. And B is going to be allocated 30%. And that is going to be 90. And that gives us the total 300 allocation, right? So now our total division is A, 10,040, B, 5,210 for a total of $15,250. Okay, again, our income summary is going to have our total $15,250 as a debit. We're going to debit income summary, and we're going to credit A capital $10,040, credit B capital $5,210. If you have any questions or problems, feel free to contact me. If not, have a great week, everyone.